out the Aketek weld hoods. This specific model is an Aketek View auto darkening weld helmet. It was designed in Sweden. They come in matte black, dark blue, my personal favorite which is red, light blue, and also a glossy black. All the helmets weigh 18.7 ounces, so they're nice and light. The best feature about the whole thing is that it has an 88,000 hour battery life. So that's 10 years of always on technology. So no matter what you do, you don't have to worry about turning the helmet on. You don't have to worry about those accidental arc flashes because it is on, and you don't have to worry about the dead batteries, which is convenient, of course. When you're not welding, the hood automatically reverts to a shade 3, and then when you do weld, it's 0.1 millisecond switching rate, which is 1/10,000th of a second, to go to your weld shade, which is selectable between 8 and 12. It's got weld or grind mode, so there's a little toggle switch inside for weld or grind. Very handy. You don't have to worry about accidentally bumping it as you crawl over and under your weldments. The display is a liquid crystal display. It's got 1:1:1:1 optical clarity, which by definition means it's perfect view, free from defects or distortion. And it's also true view color, so you don't have to worry about that green hue you get with a lot of weld helmets. The viewing area is 3.94 by 2.13 inches for a total area of 8.4 square inches. The hood comes with a 2-year warranty. I have personally welded with these hoods. I'm a weld engineer and I've worked as a fabricator in the past, so I've been around high-end weld hoods for quite a while. I do really like this hood. Like I mentioned, it's a 2-year warranty. Your maintenance items are going to be a sweatband, your inner cover, and your outer cover. The part numbers for those are linked below. When you open up your box, you're going to get your drawstring bag, and you're going to get 2 outside covers and 1 inside cover for the hood as well. For more information, you can check us out at shop.arcsolinc.com or check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.